हेलो बच्चों, आज हम लोग लेके आए हैं हेरिडिटी एंड इवोल्यूशन का नेक्स्ट वीडियो, जो कि बेस्ड होगा ह्यूमन इवोल्यूशन के ऊपर। जैसे कि आप मेरी स्क्रीन पर देख सकते हैं, हैड यू एबल टू सी ऑन द स्क्रीन दैट इज़ ह्यूमन इवोल्यूशन, हाउ द ह्यूमन इवोल्यूशन टेक प्लेस एंड हाउ द बायोडाइवर्सिटी that is known today has been said to be formed for a very simple unicellular organism due to evolution. We are able to see this while in this next video, also in this next picture, sorry. In this evolution, origin of the human evolution can be shown as per the picture which you are able to see on the screen right now. The both images are show you that is last dinosaurs disappears approximately 7 crore years ago. If you are see this, so you are able to see on the screen that is the human evolution which you are able to see on the screen. That is, you are able to see here how many years they live. Ramapithecus lived 7 million years ago. Afterwards it will be changed to second one, that is Remedus, which is approximately 4.4 million years ago exist. Next one is next one next one 2.1 to 1.6 million ago, that is Boise, which has lived 2.3 to 1.1 million years ago, sorry. Homo, that is 2.4 to 1.5 million years ago. Next, Homo erectus, which is approximately 1.8 million to 30,000 years ago. Homo sapien, that is lived 50,000, 5 lakh to 2 lakh years ago. Homo sapiens, which are approximately 2 lakh 30,000 to 30 years ago. Afterwards, Homo sapiens, it took or convert into the human existence, which we are able to see. Now, human evolution is a very important concept to list out the several changes which are seen in the human life cycle after some duration. We are able to see in the images, as we have earlier seen, that is list dinosaurs appear approximately 7 crore years ago. At that time, monkey-like animals are said to be evolved from the some ancestors. We were more or less similar to the modern lemurs. Tail of these monkey-like animals of Africa is said to be disappear about 4 crore years ago. These things are similarly seen in the next picture, as you can clearly see or clearly seen that the tail of the monkey disappears in the second one, next one. So these things were done in the human evolution. These things are also seen, that is 4 crore. The tails of this monkey like animals of Africa, which is overly found in Africa, is said to be disappear about 4 crore years ago. They developed due to the enlargement in the brain. Their hands were also improved, and thus ape-like animals were evolved. Meanwhile, these ape-like animals reached the South and North Asia and finally evolved into gibbon or orangutans. Remaining ape-like animals stay in the Africa, and from them gorilla and chimpanzee evolved about 2.5 crore years ago. Evolution of some of the 2 crore year old species of apes seems to be occur in the different way. These had to be use their hands more for eating food and other work they are using. But previously, when we see when the structure of the human body is exactly like the monkey like, at that time these are the ancestors, we can say the ancestors, which are exactly look a disapparent way, in which we can see the ancient animals like lemurs, which are approximately 7 crore years ago exist on the earth. Next, Egyptopithecus, which is approximately 4 crore years ago. Then next Diprotodus, Ramapithecus. These are the skilled humans. Next scale humans, men with a erect posture, Neanderthal, and Cargo Mango man, Cargo Morgan man. Morgan man. These are 50,000 years ago they exist. In that age we are able to see in this picture also they have used the stone, so that's the reason this middle age is considered to be as a stone age. Afterwards we are able to see here the face of the man portion, which is exactly look like this. Now you are able to see initially the face structure is exactly like a chimpanzee. Afterwards evolution take place, and because of that evolution it started changing itself. After some year we are able to see the face tone get changed. It will be changed from right now you are able to see the nose should be appear properly, eyes should be developed, and the corneas. Now in next images the face tone will be might be in changes. In the next sense it will be again changes. In the next sense it will be changes continuously, it will be changes. In that case we are able to study the structure of the human beings. Right now mustache and the beards we are able to see, and the movement of eye also we are able to see. Next, when these things were happens, so then apparent position changes and the size of nose also changes. Then next it again seems to be changes, and continuously these changes occur. Students, these changes cannot be done within a few years or few months like that. No, it requires a crore of year, thousands of year it requires to convert chimpanzee structure or chimpanzee like face into a normal human face. Right now we are able to see the structure, how the structure is exactly changed. Right now and it is appear to be like a human beings, and afterwards olden age and the modern human beings should be exist on the earth. These are the evolution. Those apes start to live on the land as the forest. As we can see, the initially in the forest they have started to decline due to dry environment. Their lumbar bones develop in such a way that they started to stand in the erect portion. You are able to see here, first of all they were started walking on the four legs, afterwards just tidilated, next again tidilated, stable structure over here, and they got the stable structure in the next pictures which you are able to see on the screen. Next, when they are started to erect portion in the grassland, thereby their hands become available to use anytime. These first humans like animals with erect posture which were using their hands have to be evolved about 2 crore years ago. First record of human like animal, it is with us in the form of Ramapithecus ape from the East Africa. Afterwards the ape grow up in the size and become more intelligent, and these apes of South Africa evolved about 40 lakh year ago. The morphology of this human like animals started to appear like afterwards you are able to see here only. This morphology of the human like animals started to appear like to be a member of the genus Homo about 20 lakh years ago, and thus skilled humans developed about 50 lakh years ago. Human walk with erect posture was evolved. It may have exist in the China and Indonesia of Asian content. Evolution of upright man continues in the direction of development its brain for this period about 1 lakh year, and meanwhile it discovered the fire. Brain of 50,000 year old man has been sufficiently evolved to the extent that is could be considered as a member of the class wise man, that is Homo sapien. Neanderthal man can be considered as the first example of wise man. The cargo man evolved about 50,000 years ago, and afterward this evolution has been faster than that of earlier. You just note down this point, that is evolution of upright man. I read the point. make the first point, that is evolution of upright man continue in the direction of development its brain for the period of about 1 lakh year. Second point, brain of 50,000 year old man has been sufficiently evolved to the extent that it could be considered as member of the class wise man, that is Homo sapiens. Next, Neanderthal man can be considered as the first example of wise man. Next, the Cro-Magnon man evolved about 50,000 years ago, and afterwards this evolution has been faster than that of earlier. Next, about 10,000 years ago, wise men started to predict their agriculture. It started to rear that cattle herds and establish the cities. Culture development took place. Art of writing was invented about 5,000 years ago, and thus the history has been started. Modern science emerged about 400 years ago, and industrial society was established about 200 years ago, and now we have reached at the stage, and still we are searching the details of the root of the human ancestries. I hope you understand this concept. If you have any doubt, so ask me ask me in the comment box which is given below. Like, share, follow and turn on the bell icon. At that time you will get the notification. Whenever we upload the video, you will get the notification. You don't need to wait for the time. If you like this, so you know what you have to do. Thank you.